Annika Schloy is a German modern pentathlete. She was born on April 3, 1990 in Berlin, Germany. She was disqualified from the Tokyo Olympics because she punched a horse. At junior level, she was part of the German team, which won the mixed relay gold at the 2011 Junior World Championships. She won the gold medal of the relay event at the 2012 World Championships and 2017 World Championships. She has competed in 3 Olympic Games, finishing in 26th place in 2012 and in 4th place in 2016. Schloy was leading the competition at the 2020 Tokyo Olympics when she was unable to successfully complete the show jumping event, moving her from first to last place and an eventual 31st place. Her trainer Kim Reisner was sent home from the Olympics after footage showed her seemingly punch Schloy's assigned horse for not performing in a desired manner. Schloy has also faced a backlash against her repeated use of the whip and rough handling of her horse, including by German Olympic team member and equestrian medal record holder Isabel Reth, who stated this has nothing to do with equestrian sport. Schloy won the silver medal at the 2018 World Championships. At junior level, she also won silver at the 2008 European Junior Championships. Schloy won the women's relay gold medal at the 2016 and 2017 World Championships. Schloy had previously been in the 2012 women's relay gold medal winning team with Sean Byrne and Jenny Coleman. She was part of the German women's relay team that won the silver medal at the 2014 and 2017 European Championships alongside Lena Schönborn. She won silver at the 2018 World Championships, this time with Ronja Steinborn. At the 2013 European Championships, she won the bronze medal teaming with Sean Byrne and Claudia Nack.